Hey, this is Crypto Mercy. Welcome here. Today we are going over this cycle wave 4 down, but we are in a wave 4 inside a cycle wave 4, and wave 4 can be pretty complex and long. And I know it's not easy for a lot of people, but be patient, your turn will come. But before the intro.
Thank you.
Here is a logarithmic chart that I use for Bitcoin for Fib circles, and this is a clear view of where we are. This was the top of the last bull market in December 2017, and this was the bottom of the bear market in December 2018. And for sure, we created a wave 1, a second wave here, because we didn't came lower at this point. This is Elliott Wave theory, and I'm just following that, and everything is seems to be perfect now. We have this top of wave 3 that happened around 65k, and now we are here trying to find the wave 4 retracement bottom before we go in this wave 5. This wave 5 usually end in a super cycle, and the thing is that I know those moments are very, very complex, and because wave 4 are very complex, and they can provide many kind of pattern, WXY, WXYXZ, anyway. You have they can provide also ABCDE. They can make many different patterns, and they can be long. What if I would like to compare this wave 4 retracement in the cycle we are now. We can do it with the retracement of this wave 4 here that happened in July 2013. Huge retracement here, and this wave 2 was pretty light. It is why this wave 4 was crazy strong, and we had a double bottom confirmation, a little double top, and a new double bottom here, and a push on the upside to end the super cycle. This was quick, but it is what I think it's gonna happen. When before May 2022, I told you there is many factor, and I created video about this. Sometimes wave 5 are not ending in a super cycle like this, but you will see usually you will see an acceleration. The price will pump quickly, and and will leave everyone behind that decided to exit. And it is why, and I'm telling this to all my subscribers, it is an accumulation period now. Even if we will make a redistribution, it is possible that we'll make a little redistribution, but like I said, the golden fib is at $26.7 thousand, and usually wave 4 don't go under golden fib. If you want to calculate a possible target for a wave 4 retracement like this, you grab your Fibonacci retracement tool and you go all the way down here. Like this, and you place your Fibonacci and you exit the logarithmic mode and you try to figure out where is this, and look at that, we are very close to the golden Fibonacci. It is possible that they will go grab this liquidity on the golden fib directly, but now what I see is that there is a little bit too much shorter, and it is probable that they're gonna create a short squeeze. We will see. Anyway, I have this bullish card right now that I'm sharing with my subscribers, and we need to wait for confirmation before we enter here, even if we should retrace right now in this wave 2, intermediate wave 2. Next target that I see possible that wave 3 is providing me is $40.3 thousand, and for sure we are creating this W pattern that you can see here with the neckline that is right there, and for sure we will wait. This is a resistance and we need to wait that Bitcoin's gonna go over 35.5k to get in and to fix exit target and try to catch that pump that can bring us here. But this is one possibility, but you know that wave 3 can go higher than this, and if they decide to pump this, they can pump it to the 2.0 Fibonacci or the 2.618. I created this chart to make it easier for my subscribers, the whole on Telegram, because the thing is that Elliott Waves is very complex, and for beginners, WXY pattern become pretty tough to understand, and C wave, ABC, which kind of which kind of ABC we are, and anyway, I'm providing this to give them a clear view of where we are now. We had this first and second wave retracement, and this third wave retracement, and even in WXY we can find those targets pretty easy by clicking using the Fibonacci tool, and this is providing us the 1.618 for this wave 3 here. And you know, wave 4 are very complex and they can end in a truncated wave 5. This means that this wave 5 can be over here in truncated. It's a possibility. This was a pretty long, and it is possible that this was a Wyckoff accumulation period zone. I know a lot of people ask that question. It can be redistribution too. If this is the top of 4, it is possible that we are just starting to go in 5 more wave down. But like I said, for me, it's less probable. I see that Bitcoin can probably go grab the liquidity on the golden fib. And I told you that right there, provided you the target for the golden fib right here, and this is it becomes pretty complex to understand in which kind of pattern we are right now. We are creating new lows and we don't have any new high yet. It is why now we are trending down, but I see that Bitcoin receive a lot of support in that zone right here. And it can also be, and I talk about this, it can also be this pattern right here, WX. It's also possible that we created that pattern, WXYXY, WXYXZ, and I've been talking about this wild card. But this Z can, and here it is a possibility that I am exploring right now. But we can clearly see this W pattern right here. It can be rejected on the neckline, and this is for sure a resistance right now. But for you, it is very easy to see this W pattern right here that is forming. And now I want Bitcoin to go over that neckline and confirm this neckline as new support if we want to break out on the target that I just provide. This is a possibility that we need to consider. Also, we add this bullish divergence on many indicators right here. I want to show you, and just before I want to explain how to place your pole. You're going right on the neckline, you bring the pole on the lowest point of the W, and you just place it on the neckline where the breakout happened, and you will get a possible target here, a probable target of if we break out. Also, I want to show you this, like I said, there is many bullish divergence that had been detected, and this is one of the biggest here. It's you grab the bottom right here and you grab the bottom right there. Let's take out this right here, and you see that the price had been going lower, but the MACD has been going higher, and this is an indication of that the sellers are exhausted, and the MACD is also gaining some strength right now. We had that bullish cross. Also, like you know, I love to use the moving average 7 and 9 to figure out you know, trend direction, and also the KIDJ. But if we are taking the moving average right now on 7 and 9, let's take out those moving average right here. I just want to keep 7 and 9, 7 in yellow, 9 in red. And now we are about to have a bullish cross, but I want the moving average 9 to rise. Now it is falling. If the moving average 9 can, you know, change direction and start to go higher on the upper side, and that the moving average 7 is crossing and go higher on, and the price stay higher than both moving average, this will be a bullish sign for me. And you know, I keep an eye on this right now, very important. Now I'm starting to see a bullish sign, and you know, as a technical analysis, I need to take those bullish sign in consideration. Also, I'm seeing a lot of you know, short now, and they can easily squeeze them, all of them, pretty easy. Maybe they just gonna bring us a little bit lower to squeeze more people. It is a possibility, but it is also a possibility that we found the top of wave 2, and we are just entering in the last phase of retracement, and that was the top of 4, and that now we're just going in the C wave, trying to find the bottom. Is it the bottom? And that was, you know, 1 2 3 4 5. This is possible, but if we are to go lower, this is a very good target, 26.6k golden Fibonacci. for sure they will have a lot of liquidity there. It is possible that they just want to go there and grab the liquidity and pump after. It's a possibility, and it is why you always need to wait for confirmation. And if we are about to reverse, I want Bitcoin to go over this W neckline here and confirm this resistance as new support, and after that, let's go. Now I provided top a support with this orange zone to my subscribers, and they all know where to position themselves if Bitcoin is about to go lower. It is a possibility that we need to keep an eye on both scenario. And as you know, this is pretty complex. Those wave 4, don't just remember that we are in a cycle wave 4 inside a wave 4 retracement, and it is not easy, and you need, I think everyone can learn a lot from this experience right here. It is not a bear market, but it can give you a preview, of what a bear market can be. A little preview, I'm telling you, because I've been over bear markets and I know what it is. And it's just a little tiny preview, and they push us down pretty quickly, and push everyone down very quickly. And I'm just gonna show you. I made a couple of videos to let you know how to enter and how to figure out those signs to enter. It is very important that everyone stay patient, and this wave 5 can break out here. And for me, in my scenario, it will be the C wave of the Y wave of the WXY wave, but it can be for certain people an ABC, and an ABC that is over, and this will be the C wave. It's also a possibility here. For me, it was not in my scenario an ABC, because I've been able to detect the 1.23 here, right there, and perfect target here. And it is why for me this was an expanded flat ABC wave on top. But anyway, at the end of the day, target are mathematical, and you can use any kind of pattern that you want, and you will find the same target. I mean, if you think that this is an ABC right here, ABC, just you know that 1.618 are a possible target of C waves, and you will get your target right here on the 1.618. Okay, and this is the same if it's a WXY like me, but I mean it is a little bit complex, but we can find this target too. It's a possibility. But now for me in a WXY, I see a possible more downside. And anyway, we are keeping an eye on both scenario, because we know where we are in this cycle. We are in a cycle wave 4, and I'm pretty sure of that. And maybe some people say, oh, we are going in a bear market. This is over for the next 2 years. I don't find that in my chart. Sorry. I respect your scenario, but it is not my scenario. For me, this was clearly a wave 3 of the cycle, and I don't find any wave 4 in this. And anyway, with the in the cycle chart right here, if we take a look, you know, it's pretty cyclical, and I'm, you know, on time. The peak should happen for me around May 2022, and I will not change my idea about that. I made videos about this, and we will see if I'm right or not. It does matter. This is my scenario, and I'm starting to accumulate altcoins, and because when they will start to pump, it can we can fall in a super cycle really quickly. And if it's the case, you know, you will wake up morning, and the altcoins will be already, you know, 2-3 times the price that they were on the bottom of their wave 2, because every altcoins now is retracing in a wave 2 here. Really clear if you are looking at the chart. I mean, it's a wave 2 retracement, but like Elrond is in a wave 4 cycle. Wave 4, you need to make the difference, and it is not about a bull market and bear market. It is about the end of a cycle or the beginning of a new cycle. And you know, it is really important. Here we have Elrond, and this is clearly a second wave retracement, and no doubt about this. We've been under the 0.618, which is the golden fib, and we are trying now to find the bottom of, and like I said, it's an accumulation time. It is possible that Elrond is not going to go lower. It is possible that Elrond is going to go to around $53, $41, $42. But after that, we all know where Elrond will go. And if you don't accumulate and start accumulating, you may be gonna miss some opportunity in the futures. And it is almost impossible to know a perfect bottom. For sure, you know, if I'm just making a copy right here, just gonna show you, it is always nice to have candle confirmation on the at least the 2 weekly chart. I would love to see a double bottom on the 2 week chart, which I had here. But we are now, we create a new low out there, and we made a double top here. Now the trend is down. Are we gonna reverse in 6 days, 9 hours on the upper side to create a double bottom? That's a possibility, and that we have to consider that possibility, because the support here was crazy strong. Look at this. We are forming a hammer right now, and the next candle can start very close to here, and you know, after that it's over. We will follow that on the weekly. Still don't have any double bottom right now, but we are forming as a reversing candle with a spinning top reversing candle. We will follow that you know, closely. Hope you like, guys. Thanks for supporting that channel. We already have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support and comment. It's my pleasure to be here with you. Hope you like that video. Smash the like, guys, and I wish you a wonderful, wonderful week. And join us on the all. Sure you will love it. Okay, bye bye.